Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to roll down all of your windows and open your moonroof with your key fob for your Honda. This is a 2016 Honda Civic EX. This trick should work on the 17s, 18s, 19s, on your Honda Accords and your CRVs. Try it out on your model and see if it works. So first thing, take your fob and click the unlock button and then click it again, but keep holding it down. And don't let go until all of your windows and your moonroof are open. If you let go, they'll stop where they're at. And there you go, it's super easy. Now unfortunately, you can't close the windows this way. So what you're gonna have to do is either go in the vehicle and close them as you would normally do, or push the switch on the back of the fob and the key will pop out. So take that key over to the door, and there is a keyhole on the driver's side door. Put that key right in there. And what you're going to do is turn it to the left, let go, and then turn it to the left again and keep holding it down, and all of the windows will close, including your moonroof. Now the great news is you can also do this to open your windows. So turn it to the right, let go, and then turn it to the right again and keep holding it down. And again, all four windows and your moonroof will open right up. It's a wonderful feature for the summers. So thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and I look forward to showing you future videos. Thanks again. Take care.